Hello viewers, in this video we will learn about a free text-to-speech tool. This tool is called Read Aloud and it is freely available in your Microsoft Edge web browser. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Using this tool is very easy. You can see here I have opened a website on this Microsoft Edge web browser. There is some text on this website. Now I want to convert this text to speech. So how will I do it? I will click on these three dots here. A menu will open. There is an option Read Aloud. If I click it, this tool will start working. Let's click it now.
Raspberry Pi RaspBNOS. How to connect Raspberry Pi and
I hope you all heard it. Now there are some options. You can make the speed slower
and install Raspbian desktop.
You can make it fast.
Desktop OS using noobs.
You can change the voice.
Noobs. By admin. August 20.
You can change voice to female.
August 26th, 2020. No comments.
There are multiple speakers available for multiple languages.
Raspberry Pi is undoubtedly the most popular single-board computer available in market. It is in the market for quite some time. ITE is some time, and there are many versions of it available in market today. We can use it as a standalone computer, as well as a development board for IoT and automation projects. It is equipped with ARM-based SoC manufactured by Broadcom. The latest variant of it available right now in market is.
This tool is not just for English only. It will convert Hindi text to speech also. Let's see how.
2022 के विधानसभा चुनावों से पहले केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल ने एक विधेयक चुनाव कानून संशोधन विधेयक 2021 पारित किया है। इसके तहत मतदाता को मतदाता पहचान पत्र को अपने आधार कार्ड से लिंक करना होगा। अभी तक ऐसा हो रहा था कि एक ही व्यक्ति के दो वोटर आईडी कार्ड होते थे। एक वह अपने गांव के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहा था और दूसरे को यह शहर के लिए इस्तेमाल कर
रहा था। इसका मतलब है कि एक ही वोटर दो जगहों पर वोट कर रहा था। हालांकि अब जबकि वोटर आईडी को आधार कार्ड।
We can also convert text of a PDF file to speech using this tool. I have opened a PDF file in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Now you see the demonstration.
What this often means to our analysis is that during intrusions or malware infections, we wouldn't usually be looking for large numbers of files being added to the system, or of massive numbers of registry keys or values being created, or regular or significant spikes in activity of any kind. Most often, spikes in file system and registry activity will indicate an operating system or application software update, or much to the chagrin of the analyst,